And here's how to edit a GIF in Photoshop. Go to your Photoshop and click on File, click on Open, and from your computer, select the GIF to open. Once the GIF opened, go to Window and enable Timeline. And you can play the GIF by clicking on this play button. Okay, for example, I want to edit this frame of this GIF. So I'm just selecting the frame, and under Layer, we can see this is the exact layer or frame. So selecting the frame, and now if you want to add or remove anything from this frame, you can just select any tool from here. Let's select the brush tool and let's add here color. For example, I'm selecting the foreground color blue and adding this blue color. So that's how you can just go ahead and select any of the frame to edit. Once you're happy, it's time to save the GIF. So go to File and hover over on Export and open Save for Wave Legacy. Here click on this preset and select GIF, and make sure to select your GIF also, and then just click on Save and go ahead and save the GIF. Now going to my File Explorer, and here is the edited GIF. We can see the color successfully applied to this GIF. So that's how you can actually edit GIF in Photoshop.